Hello everyone, I'm Shahnad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be talking about a product which was launched by Google and हम लोग इस product के बारे में बात करेंगे and हम लोग देखेंगे कि ये product क्या है and क्या कैसे हम लोग को benefit कर सकता है in day-to-day life as well as आप कैसे सब चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. I'll be showing it to you one by one and also if you really like the content of this channel, then consider subscribing the channel as well as share with your friends so that they can also get benefited from the videos which I post. And so yeah, let's start the video. So you can see we are in a page of Google developers where it is written Google Dev Library. So in this video I'll be talking about what is Google Dev Library and what are the stuff we can found there, as well as how we can make submission, and I'll also make a submission in front of you that how we can submit our things in there. So basically, let's talk about our first point, that is Google Dev Library. So what is Google Dev Library? So Google Dev Library is a collection, or you can say the showcase of open source projects as well as blog posts which are built with Google technologies, right? And which are created by normal people like it can be you as well, or the GDs which are there, or any Googlers which are actually get reviewed and all the stuff by the Googlers, and then they are showcased here. So this is basically Google Dev Library is. Now you can say, Sayan, that what are the Google technologies? So the Google technologies are basically Android. Like you have heard about Android, so it's basically under Google. So Google manage Android and all this stuff. So any project related to Android or any blog post related to Android, you can submit your project, your open source project or your blog post which you think is the best. You can submit it here for review. The second product is Angular. We know that AngularJS is pretty much famous for the front-end devs. They use to make pretty much good front-end applications. So yeah, Angular is one of the product by Google. The third one is Firebase. You know that Firebase is a backend as a service, and you can easily make your backend things run pretty fast in your Android apps or your Flutter apps or your web-based apps. So you can use Firebase for that. So anything related to Firebase, you can submit your project or you can submit your blogs there. The fourth one, and the famous one, is Flutter. Everyone knows about Flutter, that Flutter is an open source UI toolkit where we can easily make Android as well as iOS apps easily by Flutter. The fifth one is Google Assistant. So we know that we have been talking to Google by saying, "Hey Google," then we say our prompt and everything. So it's the product of Google. So if you make any kind of thing, intent or any kind of product or any kind of blogs using on Google Assistant, then you can surely submit here. Now the most interesting part and the most fun-loving part which I like about is Google Cloud. The GCP platform is pretty much cool, and I guess everything is well managed there. So any blog, any article or any project if you have done, you can submit your project here. And the fourth one and the last one, not the fourth one, sorry, the last one is machine learning. So you know that Google has developed TensorFlow and Keras, so you can submit your any of the projects here and it will be accepted if it fits right. So these are the Google products. If you do any kind of things related to this, and if you have open sourced those things, then you can surely submit your projects here. And now I'll be telling you that how you can get benefit from it, right? So if we come down, then you can see that you can subscribe to their newsletter, that every submission, if there is any new submission, then you will be getting notified. So you can go and like subscribe to this newsletter, so it will be very easy to you. And now you can see that the recently added blogs as well as projects here, like Pushkar wrote a blog on Google Cloud Athnos blog series. So he's writing a blog series and it is up, and there are many projects. So what you can do is you can obviously like stay updated with the new technologies that what are going on, as well as you can also like go and contribute to some of the repositories. Just like for example, Saik Paul has made the repository ML deployment kit like with Kubernetes, like fast API. So you can like just click on it and then you can view it on GitHub, and then you can see the project, and then you can go into the issue tab, as well as you can like solve those issues. So this is how you can actually do those things, right? So it is very much useful for if you want to do your open source contributions, and you want to do, if you are looking for new open source projects, so you can get many projects from here. So this is the thing, you can get the idea from here. Also, if you want to look for authors who are there, then you can go into the authors tab, and then all of the authors will be mentioned here. Just like Akash Kumar Nayan is a famous GD of machine learning, then Aditya Thakur is there, then many people are there. So you can go and visit out that visit their profile. Let me go to my profile and show you guys that how does it look. Yeah, my profile is this one, Sayan Nath. I hope you can see. Now I'll view my profile. So this is my profile. I've contributed these things like the image scene TF hub, then VRVIT TF hub, then 0DC TF flight model. I have also written some blog posts, you can see, and also I have some links like GitHub link as well as Medium link, as well as some bio of mine. So you can see expertise in Flutter and machine learning. You can see all of this stuff. So it is available publicly. You can go and have a look. Now the most interesting part, that how you can also submit your project. So go on to the submit tab. A Google form will appear. Not a Google form now. It's, I guess, a third-party site is handling it. So let's visit it. In the first, when I used to apply, then at that time a Google form was there. So this is the thing. You have to, the name and the last name will be auto-filled, and then you need to write that India and then West Bengal. Oh no, sorry, yeah, India. Then you need to write that, are you associated with any of the developer program? Yes, I am associated with GDSC clubs only. And then I need to select that whether it is a GitHub project or a blog post. So it's a GitHub project, so I'll be writing that GitHub project. Content will be in English. The product category will be in machine learning. I'll be submitting a machine learning project. I'll be showing the project to you guys. So this is the project repo. I'm copying the link and pasting it here. So I paste it here. You can see. Let me remove the initials here. This is the thing, and then let me copy the name of the project, blood cell detection using TensorFlow object detection API. So after that, I need to also give my GitHub ID. I have given that, and then I need to describe my project in 2 to 3 lines. I'll be just simply going down there and copying the thing which I wrote by myself. Oh, okay, we can just write 200 also. Path to the content readme file. Okay, let me give the path to the readme file as well. Let's copy it and paste it. Okay, cool. Now it is under vision. It is under Python, you can say. Tags. It is under TensorFlow. Not Cloud TPU, Cloud AI, something like that. Health, you can say it's under health. So yeah. Oh, we can just mention 3 categories, then remove Python. So yeah, I don't have any comments, so I'll be going into the next step, and then I'll be giving some permissions and all of the stuff. You can read it, terms and conditions and all of the stuff. Then I'll click on submit. So after clicking on submit, you have made the submission, and the thing is that the Googlers will review it, and after reviewing it, your project or your blog post will be live. And keep in mind that your review or the things will be taking 4 to 6 weeks. Like it will take 1 month to actually get reviewed by the Googlers, and because they will be going thoroughly and all of the stuff. So you can also submit it like this. So yeah, this much for the video, and I hope you guys have learned something from this video, and I hope that you will utilize this platform as well. So yeah, so also like I would like to tell you guys about that you can join our Telegram channel. I'll give the link in the description. You can go and join that channel. In that channel I'll be giving the video updates as well as the uh, study material or the resources which I have or which I have used during my time. So go ahead and join the channel, as well as I've also talked about the Newton School's full stack development program. You can go and have a look. The link is in the description. As well as Newton School is now organizing a grand coding contest where you can go and participate and win a lot of prizes as well as scholarships. So what you're waiting for, the link is in the description. You can go and have a look. So till then, bye bye.